not in service train. What is this train is not in service? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Saan niya ang train na diba? Na not in service yun. My God. Oh. Terminal 5 guys, ang train wa kadagan. Maghulat pa sa another train. Oh my gosh. What? Yeah. Diba pa more? Minutes down. Munitioning down.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. If you are traveling to Terminal 2 or 3, please go to the other side, which is platform 3. It's a free transfer service. Not this station, you need to go up the escalator, cross and down to the rail station. Follow the sign for the blue trains. If you are going to Terminal 2 or 3, please follow the blue train sign to go to the other station. We are having some issues with this train. We will let you know once the issue is resolved.
Nambot na lang na unsa na ni magpas na lang ta. Ano? Stop na po sa train.
Traveling to Terminal 2 or 3, please go through the gates, go on the escalator, cross and down to platform 3. Follow the blue sign for train.